Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today is Tuesday, April 19th, sorry. Today is Tuesday, April 19th. It's approximately 10:30 p.m. The compressor just filled up to 150 psi-ish, a little bit under. I need to set the regulated side down. I want it down around 90. And there we go. And damn it. Sorry about that. I just knocked my pencil sharpener off because my head was where it usually wasn't. Anyway, we're settling down to about 140. That's about what I expect to see. If you take a look here, you can see the valve that I added right here. A little hard to get to with me holding the camera, but I've already pressurized the line. That's why you don't hear air whooshing through, but that turns the air on, shuts it off. Quick disconnect, new hose, and if you look down below, the dump valve. Now, we're going to come back here in a couple of days and check this. This actually stayed right at this pressure from last Thursday till about 20 minutes ago when I finally tested that valve, well, the valve that was there before, and as soon as I opened that valve, I got air coming out of where it doesn't belong coming out of. So I replaced that valve. We're going to test again, see how long it goes. I'm going to, you see I've got the disconnect turned off, so there's no air going to the pressure line. And as I've mentioned, I'm cleaning the shop, so excuse the mess. But we're going to come over here, bleed off the pressure that's against the hoses. Okay. And you see we've bled off the pressure. Now if you look at my desiccant, I need to dry that desiccant back out. Just stick it in the microwave, nuke it. I'm good, but that's pressure's off, so I've got no risk to the hoses. And we are good to go. We're going to let it sit for a few more days, see how it does. And we're not going to let it pressurize on its own. It's turned off. So there we go. All right, gentlemen and ladies, if there's any watching, I will keep you posted. Thanks. Today is Wednesday, and it's April 20th, 2016. We're 24 hours into this fix, and you can see that we're about 122 psi. So it looks like I've lost 18 psi in 24 hours. I honestly can live with that. Flip the lever. The system compresses, power airs up, but as you can hear, no hissing, any of that stuff. So it looks like we're good. So time for me to just flip that back off, open up the dump valve, and call it good. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you fix a compressed air system.